Thank you for finding me on the web about how much money do you need for a down payment to buy a house. I talked to a lot of first-time home buyers, second-time home buyers that they think 20% for the down payment. Not the case. You can put as little as $0 down for the down payment. That's right. You heard me correct. $0 for the down payment. We're going to go through the traditional 4 programs, VA, FHA, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac conventional, and the USDA program. It's going to be a short video. I have a lot of good links below on the content of the video to go in depth more about these particular programs, and those links are below. Listen to the whole entire video. I want to give you some good tips on about the USDA. Love the USDA. We don't do enough of them. We should. A lot of people don't know about them is the issue, and I got some good video content below on the USDA, so click on there. But the minimum required down payment, there's 100% absolutely no money for the down payment, is the USDA home loan program. Got a link below for that. And the VA home loan program. The USDA, you got to buy in a specific area. The VA program, you got to be a veteran, active, or honorably discharged from the military. That's 100% no money down. The next one's going to be conventional. If you have not owned a home in the last 3 years, you're considered a first-time home buyer. You can put as little as 3% down for a house on a conventional. Not 20%, but 3%. So if you and your spouse are buying and you owned a home and your spouse didn't own a home in the last 36 months, but you did 24 months ago and your spouse hasn't owned a home, you're considered a first-time home buyer. It just has to be one of the borrowers to be a first-time home buyer with 3% down. If not, then it's 5% down. So it's still pretty good. It's only additional 2%. FHA, 3.5% down. And these are the down payments required. The 3, the 5, and the 3.5 are on the purchase amount. So a $300,000 on a conventional at 3%, $9,000, 5%, $15,000, and an FHA at 3.5 is $10,500 for the down payment. So that's the required minimum for the traditional loans with Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, and USDA. Minimum 0% down if you qualify for that VA or the USDA, 3% or 5% down for conventional, or 3.5%. So you don't need a ton of money to buy a home. Now, if you're looking at $1 million home, yes, you need a little bit of money for that. But if you're looking at anything below the county loan limit, the county loan limits are fairly high right now, up to like $700,000 plus in some areas, and you can put 3% down. Those monies that you need for the down payment can come from stocks, bonds, IRAs, mutual funds, money markets. I'm seeing a lot from the Robinhood accounts that people can get from a gift from a family member through those entities, your own funds or a gift. Or you do 100% financing, one of the two. Now, you are going to have closing costs, which the seller can pay for, and you can come from your own accounts too, or those can come from a gift as well. Or another way that we can pay your closing costs is we increase your interest rate, and a lender gives you a credit towards the interest rate. We don't make any more money raising your rate. We just give you what's called a lender credit, but you have to take that higher interest rate to be able to pay for that closing cost. So you don't need a ton of money. If you're looking at a $700,000 loan, people think, oh, I need 20%. You do not need 20%. That's $140,000. You can come in with as little as, if you're a veteran, 0 down. If you're in a USDA area, 0 down. If you were a first-time home buyer, 3% down, $21,000. That's a lot lower than the 20%. So got some great content below. Look at those videos. I'd love to connect with you and talk to them. Please like, share, comment about this video. But the money, how much money do you need to buy a house is not 20% for the down payment. You can come in as little as 0 and the maximum 5. You can come in with as much as you want, but the maximum, at the minimum maximum, is 5%, depending on the conventional. It can be 3, it can be 5 on a conventional. FHA is 3.5. You can put obviously more if you want to, but those are the minimums. Down payments are the 3, the 5 on the conventional, 3.5% FHA, 0 for USDA, and 0% for the VA program. So I got a lot of content below. Please like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up, click on the links below. But let's get you, if you're looking to purchase a property, you're limited on funds, let's connect. Let's see where you need to come in, if you need to come in with a down payment, where we can save money, where we can get money for the closing costs as well as a down payment. You don't need tons of money to buy. You just don't. You need some money, but you don't need a lot of money. I'd love to connect with you and talk to you about how to buy a house with as little as possible. There's also down payment assistance programs out there. They're not rarely used today because of the way the programs are, but we can explore those as well. But give me a call, 909-503-5600. I'd love to connect with you and hear from you and talk to you about purchasing a property. Let's get you in the position to buy. Thank you very much. Have a great day.